सुप्रभातं छात्राः। अष्टमः पाठः संसारसागरस्य नायकाः. In this lesson we are learning about those architects, those who used to build many ponds all around our country, and as well as those people who used to build cities and many construction works all around our country. Let us continue with today's part. नगर नियोजनात् लघु निर्माण पर्यन्तं सर्वाणि कार्याणि एतेष्वेव आधृतानि आसन्. नगर नियोजनात् लघु निर्माण पर्यन्तं सर्वाणि कार्याणि एतेषु एव आधृतानि आसन्. So starting from the planning of big cities, Nagara Niyojana means managing the cities or big construction works in the cities. Lagu Nirmana Paryantam, till small construction works in villages. Sarvani Karyani, all works. Eteshveva Adritani Asana, all works were dependent on these Gajadharas only. So people used to believe and depend Gajadharas for the all type of construction works, let it be a small or big, they used to believe them. From the construction of city to small constructions, all works depended on these Gajadharas only. Nagara Niyojanat, organizing the city, Lagu Nirmana Paryantam, until small construction, Sarvani, all, Karyani, works, आदृतानि डिपेंडेंट. ते योजनान् प्रस्तुवन्ति स्म, भाविव्ययम् आकलयन्ति स्म, उपकरणभारान् संगृह्णन्ति स्म. ते योजनान् प्रस्तुवन्ति स्म, भाविव्ययम् आकलयन्ति स्म, उपकरणभारान् संगृह्णन्ति स्म. So these Gajadharas used to take all responsibilities, means they yojanan prastuvanti sman. They used to prepare action plan, map everything for the construction work. Then bhavivyayam akalayanti sma. They used to prepare budget for the total construction work. And upakarana bharan sangrihnanti sma, collecting the materials which needed for constructions also they used to do. So all type of responsibilities they used to take themselves and do complete construction work in their own. They Gajadharas were presenting action plans, planning the budgets and collecting the materials. Yojanan, action plan, Prastuvanti Sma, were presenting, Bhavivyayam, budget, Akalayanti Sma, calculating, Upakarana Bharan, all materials, Sangrihnanti Sma, were collecting. Pratidane te na tadyachante sma yadhatum tesham swaminaha asamartaha bhaveyuhu. Pratidane te na tad yachante sma yad datum tesham स्वामिनः असमर्थाः भवेयुः. Pratidane, as salary, te na tad yachante sma, they not used to ask their owners that yad datum tesham swaminaha asamartaha bhaveyuhu. They not used to ask the salaries which are beyond the control or ability of their owners. So according to the situation of their owners, they used to ask salaries. They not used to demand more than the capacity of the owners. So datum means to give. Tesham swaminaha, their owners, asamartaha bhaveyuhu, will be unable. That means, so they used to understand the situation of their owners and accordingly they used to get salaries. As salary, they not used to ask beyond the capacity of owner. Pratidane, in return, tad yachante sma, used to ask, datum, to give, स्वामिनः ओनर्स असमर्थाः not capable or unable. कार्यसमाप्तौ वेतनानि अतिरिच्य गजधरेभ्यः सम्मानमपि प्रदीयते स्म. नमः एतादृशेभ्यः शिल्पिभ्यः. कार्यसमाप्तौ वेतनानि अतिरिच्य गजधरेभ्यः सम्मानमपि प्रदीयते स्म. नमः एतादृशेभ्यः शिल्पिभ्यः. So कार्यसमाप्तौ, at the end of the work, वेतनानि अतिरिच्य, apart from salaries, वेतनानि means salaries, गजधरेभ्यः सम्मानमपि प्रदीयते स्म. People used to honor, सम्मानम means honoring, even they used to honor gajadharas. So नमः एतादृशेभ्यः शिल्पिभ्यः. So salutations to all these honorable sculptures. People used to honor gajadharas apart from giving salary at the end of the work. Salutations to these sculptures. Karya samaptau, at the end of work. Vetanani, salary. Atirichya, apart from. Gajadharebhyaha, for gajadharas. Sammanamapi, also honor. Pradiyate sma, used to give. Namaha, salutations. Shilpibhyaha, sculptures. So children, with this we learnt about those ancient architects, those who used to build houses and all type of construction works, and let us salute those great people and remember once again. Learn this lesson part thoroughly with translation and word meanings. Let us continue with exercise tomorrow. Thank you children.